Exported a board from Kanban Tool and got a CAN file? This is your project board data in a portable format. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to open, import, and work with these Kanban Tool board export files. Quick setup recommendation: download and install a reliable universal file opener. It's the simplest way to check if your KAN file is truly broken. I'll link the software below. KAN files are board export files from Kanban Tool, the online project management and visual workflow application. They contain complete Kanban board data, including board structure, column definitions, card entries, task details, assignee information labels, due dates attachments, and workflow automation rules for project management portability. KAN files use a structured data format, typically JSON or XML-based storing board configuration with column definitions, swimlane structures, WIP limits, card records, with task descriptions, assignee fields, priority labels, due dates, checklist items, comment threads and file attachment references for board state preservation. The application responsible for generating the KAN file is typically Kanban Tool by Shore Labs. Windows only supports view-only mode, necessitating dedicated editing software for changes. Windows shows only a simplified view, so deeper interpretation must be done with suitable software. The solution lies in finding the correct software match. Go to your KAN file, right-click, and select Open With. Use Kanban Tool first if it is installed. If not, start testing other options until one successfully reads the file. When your KAN file does not open, it is usually a small issue. If the KAN file has resisted the previous steps, we need to examine the source. Test the following 3 key failure points to determine the origin of the block. First, importing into Kanban Tool. Log into your Kanban Tool account and navigate to the board management area. Use the import or restore function to upload the CAN file. Kanban Tool reconstructs the board with all columns, cards, task, details, assignments, and labels. Verify that all cards appear in their correct columns with complete task information after import. Next, viewing board data. Rename the KAN file extension to JSON or XML and open it in a text editor or JSON viewer, like VS Code with a JSON formatter extension. Browse the structured data to see all board columns, card titles, descriptions, assignments, and dates. This provides a readable view of the complete project data without importing into Kanban Tool. Finally, migrating to other tools. Extract task data from the KAN file and convert it to CSV format for import into other project management tools like Trello, Jira, or Asana. Map the Kanban Tool fields to the target application's import format. Most project management platforms accept CSV imports for bulk card or task creation, with column status and assignee mapping. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.